Okay, everybody, I want to show you all the ingredients I use for this dish. I use quarter legs, chicken thighs rather. I use 6 chicken thighs and celery, pecan, and cranberry. You can find it at grocery store somewhere. If you're allergic to cranberries or you're allergic to pecans, and most likely people are allergic to nuts, just buy just cranberries. I love this. It have like a little sweet coating of honey on it. Also using garlic salt, accent, hickory smoked salt, lemon pepper, olive oil, garlic. I use dry chilies. I'm using dry red wine, and special you can drink with this. I use purple bell pepper. I'm using green chives for garnish. And I say this dish is amazing, delicious. Also a pinch of brown sugar. And don't forget the pinch of brown sugar. And this dish comes absolutely delicious. These are my ingredients. Let me get my wine because I want to drink this. Let's get this dish together. Let's taste this. A little bit of smoked salt, and there we go. Okay, y'all, I want to plate this meat up. Hope y'all can see this. This, y'all. Delicious, right? Ooh. From my kitchen to yours, I'm Pat Smith.